Here are a few things you should know if you're considering the GLC 300. Lying in between the GLA and the GLS, this mid-size compact SUV falls in the middle of our lineup. What you may not already know is that you have the option to fully customize each and every one of Mercedes-Benz vehicles. What we're looking at here is the GLC with the optional 18-inch wheels, which you can upgrade for safety. You do have the option to black out your chrome trim. And another optional feature is, of course, our roof racks for extra storage. So a few features in the trunk of the GLC are going to be our motion sensor open and close, our privacy screen, and our power fold down seats that's operated by a simple button on each side of the vehicle for each side of the row of seats. So now I just want to highlight a few things on the interior of the car. I'm going to start with the door panel over here. We're looking at our memory seats and our seat controls. Our heated seat button on here, which is standard for the GLC. We've got our window controls over here, our light controls on this side. Looking at the steering wheel, we have our cruise control and our driver's assistance. This control pad on the right side is going to control the touchscreen or your multimedia screen here, which is a 12-inch touchpad, which is super user-friendly, very easy to use if you have experience with a smartphone. We also have 4 cup holders in the front of the cabin alone. We have 2 adjustable in the middle console here with 1 on each of the door panels there. We also have Burmester HD radio in this vehicle, ambient lighting, which is one of my favorite features, and the ambient lighting even trims each and every one of our climate control vents. If you want to see more models like this beautiful GLC or come by and test drive, please visit Mercedes-Benz of Burlington, part of the Lion Auto Group.